This is just going to be a really quick video on how to filter lead lists. So in my last video I talked about a Chrome extension I found which allows you to export Instagram leads into lead lists such as this one here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a sheet in Google Drive. I've just called it a scrap list for now. And I'm going to open up this document that I've managed to export, and I'm going to scroll all the way down to the main leads that I've got. And I'm just going to copy these, go back into this sheet and paste them in here. And then once I've pasted them in, what I can do is start filtering things and sorting it by different requirements. So one of the things I like to look at is post count. So I'm not going to click here or here, but I'm going to click on the first line of data. And I'm going to click data, sort sheet by Z to A. If I was to set it as sort sheet by A to Z, then it's going to get rid of the headers that I don't really want them getting rid of. So I'm just going to sort it by Z to A. And then what I can do is I can scroll down to the point where it's with lots of leads with not enough posts. So I can scroll up until I get to maybe about this section where, because I want that lead. So I'll remove them, and that's keeping the minimum at 17 posts. And then I'm going to do the same for their follower count. So I'm going to click here, data, sort by Z to A, and then let's just say I reckon this one's too big, I'll delete this. I'll scroll to the bottom here, and just really quickly get rid of all the ones that I don't think have enough followers. And I reckon minimum we want, let's just say for this scenario, is maybe 6,000. So I'll just go here and delete them and go back to the top. And then what I can do from here is I can, now that I've narrowed down the list by larger scales, I can now open all of these individually and start having a look at, okay, this one's good, this one doesn't suit me, and start narrowing down my lists until it becomes very high quality. And one other thing you can do when looking at them is if you say have exported multiple lead lists and you've combined them into one, is you can make sure you get rid of duplicates. And so what you want to do is you want to click on this common column and go data, and then we'll scroll down to here where it says data cleanup, and I'll click remove duplicates. And then I'll say that the data has header row. And then what we'll do is we don't want to analyze all the columns, we just want to analyze the username because that's unique to the users. And so we'll click that and click remove duplicates. And because this is a list that are only exported once, it's only going to it's not going to have any duplicates. But if I did have multiple, then it would remove all the duplicates like that.